Deborah here. Welcome back to my channel. So lovies, in this video I want to show you guys this particular hairstyle. This hairstyle, we've been making this hairstyle since when we were young, and some persons still make this particular hairstyle. The name of this hairstyle is called Shadiadu. I don't know the origin behind that name. Maybe I will find out and come and tell you guys later. But for now, this hairstyle is actually a loose weave, a tiny loose weave done, and majorly tiny pieces of extension attachments is being added to the tip. One thing about this hairstyle, whenever they do it, then is that it is something you can easily pick your picking comb, that's your tiny tooth comb, and once you're done removing the extension, you can just use your tiny tooth comb to be combing the remaining hair, and it will be loosened. And this is only possible for relaxed hair. I have never seen a natural hair make this hairstyle. I have never seen this hairstyle done on a natural hair. I think the basic reason why is because of the loosening and the breaking process. If it is done as tiny as this on a natural hair, definitely the hair is going to break, and it can be done loosed on a natural hair. It won't be fine. So the only hair that can do this particular hairstyle is the relaxed hair. And our aunties, our sisters, our mommies and not daddies, are still doing this particular hairstyle. From what you can see in this video, you can see from the description I said that is usually tiny. Yes, it is usually tiny, and tiny to the point that you can use your tiny tooth comb to lose it when you're ready to lose it. And guess what? It doesn't break the hair, because the logic behind it is that it is usually loose. The weave is usually loose and tiny. That's just the logic behind it. So if you're going to do it for someone, or you want to do it for maybe your daughter, your client, make sure it is a relaxed hair, and make sure when it is tiny and it is loose. The thing is, some persons don't even use cutting comb to cut this hair. They use pin. Some people use pin so just that they can get that tiny cuts for the hairstyle. And there is no lady I have seen make this hairstyle, especially the ones with added extension, that the hair is not usually fine on. No lady. Then there is another one that they will do, that it will be all back like what I'm carrying, but it will still be your relaxed hair. But the tip, they will just add little extensions at the tip. I know you've seen it before. So this is just what this particular hairstyle is. The logic is, make sure it is loosed, tiny, and make sure that when you're losing it, you have a tiny tooth comb to lose it. It won't break your hair that way. Don't use a natural hair for this hairstyle. And if you will use a natural hair, if you know you love it so much and you want to use a natural hair, make sure you get help when you want to lose it. What is the help I'm talking about? The help of a water, leave-in conditioner, and oil to moisturize it well before you take it down. If not, your hair is going to break. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.